Ahoy there, everybody! Captain Granite back here again. I'm gonna make sure all my little thingies are buttoned up here. Yeah, they are. That's good, good, good. All right. So, what are we doing today? Well, the wife and I. Say hi. Yeah. So we're on our way to go see her Nana and her uncle. They just moved, so we're gonna go say hi to them. But today's video is about the Forgotten Angels and the raffle that Burt's Barracuda has partnered with them, along with Shade Tree Surgeon. And when this video comes out, it'll be 100 days left in the raffle. Raffle? I said raffle. Raffle. It's those hard F's I can't get out my mouth hole here. Raffle. Yeah, 100 days left in the raffle when this video comes out. So let's talk about it. Alright, so if you guys remember, I did a video last season for Weems, because he was raffling off the Triumph, the one that was based off from the David Mann painting. Raised a crap ton of money. I mean, that is the most expensive Triumph you'll ever find, and well worth every single penny that's in that motorcycle. Now, this year, Burt's Barracuda has thrown their name into the ring. They are raffling off the 2020 Road King. You might know it as Road King Kong, the nice, beautiful bike that Shade Tree's been riding around. It has the 131 cubic inch Screaming Eagle engine in it. Oh man, does that thing, I mean, I know when I hear it in the videos, that does no justice for that bike. That thing is a beast. It's a monster, and I want it in my garage shed. I have a shed, I don't have a garage. So basically, Forgotten Angels, if you did not know, if you didn't see the video before, if you haven't seen Shade Tree's video, if you haven't seen Weems' video, if you haven't seen Flip's video, or Shade's video, or all these other videos, Forgotten Angels. It's this non-profit out of Tampa, Florida. What they do is they help kids, and I say kids, it's young adults. It really is. It's young adults who have aged out of the foster care system, which is, if you didn't know, it's 18 years old. Basically, there's an issue with it, with the foster care system. Not Forgotten Angels. There's absolutely nothing wrong with Forgotten Angels. They are a blessing in this world, a light in the darkness. If you foster a child, you are given money from the state to take care of these kids. A lot of the times, the foster parents themselves do not do that. They don't care. To them, it's a paycheck, and it's an unfortunate circumstance, and it's an issue with the system. The man is flawed, people. So what's that mean? Well, as soon as they hit 18, guess what? They're out on their ass with maybe a trash bag in their hand, with maybe a handful of their own stuff, you know? What does David and Cindy bring to the table? They bring a home to the table. What they do is they have this huge compound. I say compound. It literally is a compound, a huge amount of land. They're building tiny homes on this property to give these kids a chance, to let them find a job, build credit, learn how to open up a checking account. Hell, there's one story that they taught someone how to tie their own shoes. They are absolutely amazing people, and literally all these kids, they work for this. They fight for this. They literally are given the opportunity that was not given to them to live, to try to build and make a life for themselves. Give them the tools to function in this troubled society. All this money that was raised for Weems and the Triumph raffle, 100% of it went right to the Forgotten Angels. And guess what? This raffle, 100% goes right to Forgotten Angels. As I speak right now, $135,000 has been raised for this charity. And when this video releases, 100 days are left. That is life-changing money for all these kids and all the kids to come into their lives, because there's going to be more. Now, they're looking to also expand into other states. I know that was a thing that they were talking about. They're looking into that. And the more that this is around, the more lives are changed for the better. It is absolutely inspiring, incredible, and I've never been there. I feel the power that Dave and Cindy are putting out into the world all the way up here in New Hampshire. I feel that. I wanted to be down there October, I think it's October 22nd is when the big reveal is going to be. I unfortunately will not be able to make it down there, as my wife will be coming up on her due date. It's, you know, I really want to be there, but it, you know, my family, I have to keep that in mind, and I got to be here for my wife and my unborn child to be. Oop, I really should have shifted down. I'm going to shift down now, actually. There we go. I looked down, I was in 4th, I thought I was in 3rd. And they say motovlogging is not distractful. I really wish I could be down there. And I know, and every single video I've seen from the last event, people are moved to tears. Grown men, grown women moved to tears of how powerful this cause is. And I'm only feeling a little bit of it. I know if I went down there, I'd probably bawl like a little baby. I'm getting sensitive in my old age. Is that my car? Nope. Close. I had to look at the emblem on the front. My car is getting worked on, so I honestly thought that they were out for a ride with it. I digress. Anyway, Forgotten Angels. So how do you get involved? How do you help? There's going to be a raffle, or a raffle. There is a raffle. There's going to be a link below. I'll probably put it up in the cards. I don't know which way the thing is. It's over here, it's over there. There's going to be a card you can click on, but in the video description, maybe in the pinned comment, I'll probably do a pinned comment too. I mean, it's going to be everywhere. I mean, it's going to be basically in 3 different spots. You're not going to be able to miss this link. Click the link. $25 per ticket, or you get 5 tickets for $100, and 100% of the proceeds go right to Forgotten Angels. Change a life, people. I've bought my tickets. Change a life. Impact. Do good. It speaks volumes to see these kids and getting a chance when everyone else gave up on them. Oh, damn it. See? Getting choked up. God damn it. Get on your side of the road. I'm having a moment. Whew. Yeah. Help these kids out. Help to this great cause. Even if you don't win the motorcycle, just know you won something else. You won the the knowledge that you're helping change a life, impacting someone for the best, and really putting good energy into this world when honestly there's so much darkness to it. I think that's where I'm gonna end the video, guys. I've said what I've needed to. Click the link, donate, enter in for the chance to win the 2020 Road King with the 131 cubic inch engine. But most importantly, help out. Help a great cause. I'm all the way up in New Hampshire. I don't know if I'll ever make it down there to Tampa to see this. I hope one day I do. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Be sure to follow me on all my socials. You know, all the links are above, or you just go to captaingranite.com. They're all there. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Later.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah. I am the cream.